Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you're watching Tools of the Trade. I want to share with you another book that I found. It's a pre-cut book. It's called Quilters Precuts. Everything you need to know about quilting with pre-cuts. Did you know? Let's see, it gives the yardage. It gives you some ideas of some blocks. You've got your quilt sizes. Standard quilt sizes with drop and tuck. And then you've got your pre-cuts, a whole list of them. So we've got fat quarters, fat eighths, Bali crackers, layer cakes, patty cakes, stackers, stack packs, sundae, 10 squares, Bali snaps, charm squares, single scoops, candy, mini charm, design strips, charm rolls, dessert rolls, fat rolls, Bali pops, and it just keeps going on down. Jolly bars, honey buns, skinny strips, hexagons, turnovers. I mean, think about it. We've got, honey buns, turnovers, layer cakes, jelly rolls. So we've got our fat eighths. Got some more. Let's see, and these are called mega strips. Let's see. Got 20. There's 6 inches by 42 inches, so 6 inch by width of fabric. The fat eighths are 9 inches by 21 inches, so 9 inches by half the width of fabric. What else have we got? Oh, hexies. And we've got different sizes. They're also called honeycombs, hexagons. You've got different sizes. Oh, I love these timeless treasures. The Tonga treats. I love this fabric. This is awesome. But basically, motor scrap bag. There are so many of the pre-cuts out there, and they're all called so many different things. I got these from Hide or Hangout. She calls them Tasty Tidbits, and they're 2.5 by 5 inches. This is a Moda Frivoli. And most of the time it's going to tell you on the back or on the front. But you can look at these and go, I don't know what to do with all this stuff. Moda Bake Shop. Moda really likes the whole food thing. But I love this book because it is an all-in-one guide to your pre-cuts. It's a nice spiral, so things lays out just beautifully flat. And it gives you some ideas of how to make half square triangles and how to make 4 at a time, make 8 at a time. Really cutting down on some of your cutting, because I don't know about y'all, cutting is not my favorite part of the thing. I realize it's important. It's kind of like with squaring up. Those are the really important things, is correct measurements and then squaring up after you finish sewing. But they give you all kinds of ideas, lots of inspiration, lots of instruction. This is another one that I just recently got. Again, you don't know till you know. Don't know till you know. I've heard these 2.5 by 5 inch strips being called different things, and that all depends upon who the manufacturer is, who's the designer. Is it Moda? Is it Northcott? Is it an individual store? Because a lot of times some of this, like the bake shops and the layer cakes, those are Moda. And now when we say jelly roll, I think we all know, that that's your 2.5 by width of fabric strips. But they could be called all kinds of other things too, pinwheels. And that's why I like this, because it goes through and tells you all the different terms. So you're at least one step ahead further than I was a few months ago. Like I said, you don't know till you know. You walk into that shop and you're going, what? My husband would always joke. I'd tell him I wanted to go to somewhere to get some jelly rolls, and he'd go, oh, cool, I like jelly rolls. Yeah, not that kind, honey. I want to go to the fabric store. He was always teasing. But, you know, the whole layer cake, jelly roll, turnovers, honey buns. I always got a good laugh out of the clerks. Yes, my husband is goofy. Yes, my husband is a little nutty. Big thing is we have a good time together when we're out shopping, and he makes things fun. But Quilters Precuts, very handy tool, especially if you're brand new to the world of precuts, if you're brand new to the world of quilting. Like I said, lots of little tidbits, lots of tricks in this book. I found it very helpful. I hope you do too. Look for a description down in the bottom. It is an affiliate link, so if you click and then you buy, we do get a little bit back. I would recommend, even if we got nothing back, I would recommend this. It's just a very handy tool. Well, I hope you have been inspired. I hope you've enjoyed this little short video, just showing a little bit of the precuts and then talking about the Quilters Precuts Companion. You can find this on Amazon. Look for the link, and I will see you next time right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thank you so much for watching.